Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I'm from Lykke Marketing, and today we are going to discuss the new release of the Lykke app. But right before we start, Oleg, please say a few words to our Geeky.Leeky audience, telling what your role is in the development team. Please.
Hi all, my name is Oleg. I'm here from the IT part of Lykke team. As for me, I'm working on development and architecture of Lykke Wallet services and backend.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's get it straight to the point. So what are the main achievements over the last few weeks in the Lykke development?
First of all, we have started the security audit by PriceWaterhouseCoopers process. It is needed to prepare us for regulations process. And
did you receive any remarks or suggestions for improvement from their side?
Yes, of course, but there was just a few of them. We have to call the remarks into account, and our developers are already working on them, and part of them already implemented, and will be available in upcoming releases. On the whole, they were already satisfied with the results we have received, and told us by the secret that we one of the most prepared for the regulation process that they have faced in the last times.
Lykke has very high-speed development process. That's really great and impressive. So, and what are the major features that came out with the latest release of Lykke Wallet?
First of all, we have released some time ago and Ethereum wallet, private wallets for Android and iOS applications, and they are already available on the market.
And are there any difference in the Ethereum private wallets with Bitcoin private wallets?
Basic concept is the same, but the difference is on the implementation, and the concept is the same. You're now able to integrate to import your external Ethereum wallet, or to create in place in our app a new Ethereum private wallet, and to be able to transfer money from, for example, trading wallet, or from outside, or to outside.
Okay, got it. And will private wallets allow storing only the trading currency or any other cryptocurrency available on the market?
As for now, as for current release, only storing and transferring Ethers is available. But in a closed release, we have plans, and we are working on introduction of ERC20 tokens in private wallets, and moving forward and looking forward, we are working on and planning to introduce ERC20 for trading wallet also.
Okay. Any other news and any other features in this release?
Yes, I must to mention another payment card aggregator, payment provider, FXpaygate. It was released recently and available for some regions.
So it now has some kinds of limitations for regions, right?
Not really. There are no limitations, but our business part of the team is reviewing the situation. We are receiving some feedbacks. We are reviewing some possible errors and claims. So we are trying to integrate it and to test it region by region. And we have FXpaygate as a plan B always. So this option was introduced just to provide some decentralization and not to stick with only one provider. I believe there will be more providers in future, and FXpaygate is just only one of them. As for now, we have turned it on for Austria. As far as I remember, for Turkey, I need to clarify, but for Austria, yes.
So you've got great plans for now, right? So also I heard that you're working on providing live graphs for Lykke Wallet app. So how are you going to implement this?
Yes, sure, we are working on it. We have received lots of claims for our in-app graphics, for our in-app graphs, and they are really quite bad at the moment. but to provide live tick data, live candles data to the application, there are many core issues that needs to be done and revised. First of all, and it was already done, we have done a huge refactoring and to remove the extra responsibility from the matching engine. We have now clear separation. Matching engine is producing tick updates to RabbitMQ. We have few jobs that are monitoring those updates, preparing the data in a candles form. Also, we have a service to stream the data in to devices using the WAMP protocol, which runs on top of the WebSockets. We have used this protocol and this approach before for the margin trading, and I believe it will be a great asset for graphic data too. The current state is the next. All the work described before by me was already finished and in testing phase. The last thing that we need to adjust is to fill the historical periods of the data of the candles data and to integrate all the things with client applications. By the way, we have another huge thing coming, and our finance team, our finance team and our science team is working on to bring Alpha Engine to our market makers.
And can you please tell us a couple of words about what our Alpha Engine is? So what kind of algorithm is it?
Basically, Alpha Engine is a trading algorithm. You can find all the links in the Lykke.com to the paper by Richard Olsen and Tom Golub, and there is a huge work was done in background, and currently is the moment that we are implementing all this stuff on our exchange, and as for now it's available on our dev and test environments. And moreover, we have launched the algorithm and the trading bot on other exchanges.
And at what stock exchange is it currently operating?
We have launched it on Kraken, for example, and the results are pretty positive.
And what are the obvious benefits of using this engine?
First of all, Alpha Engine is not only positive profit targeted. For sure, it is profit targeted, but it was designed to provide liquidity to the markets.
And how will Alpha Engine interface with Lykke Wallet?
On the common rights with all our traders and customers, it will be using and it will be consuming high frequency trading API. So on the common basis.
Thank you very much, Oleg. I know that right now you are not at your working place, but at some different place. So you are having a meetup, right, with the development team. So please tell us a few words about where all the event took place and what you were doing, what you were discussing there.
Yes, we have gathered all the team, and probably have heard that the development team rises quite rapidly. Last month is so from time to time we need to sync with everybody because most part of the Lykke team is working remotely. So we have gathered in the Montenegro, discussed our plans, review the working flows, and have some useful working experience together. And I believe all the developers have now much clearer vision of the processes of Lykke itself.
Mm-hmm. And how big is the development team right now? Can you do you know the total number of people?
Currently, it's more than 35 people. It's only the development team, yes.
Mm-hmm. And are you going to expand it?
Yes, for sure. We are all the time reviewing the candidates. We are trying to find out the people that are really interested and they're really self-motivated. So as for now, we are looking for the extra need of Android and iOS developers, because we have plenty of backend developers and we can cover lots of tasks and have some bottleneck with mobile development because there are a few of them. Also, we are searching for QA engineers, automated QA engineers, and this is the most needed positions at the moment.
So thank you very much. I think that's it, right? So thank you very much for sharing the latest news, and we'll be looking forward to the next call, which will most probably take place next week. So see you soon. Have a nice weekend.
Yes, thanks.
Bye
See you
bye.
soon. Bye.